Welcome to SKC FINTALKS, where we simplify money, banking, and finance the smart way. Today, we're going to talk about something very simple, but extremely powerful: why you should have 2 bank accounts in Nepal. You might be wondering, why do I need 2 accounts? One is enough, right? Well, that's where most people go wrong. Let me explain. Account 1, your spending. This is the account where your salary or income comes in. From here, you handle all your monthly expenses: rent, food, recharge, utilities, everything. This is your money for living account. You can even link your mobile banking and debit card here, because this is the account you'll use daily. But here's the catch. If you keep all your money in this one account, you'll always end up spending more than you plan. Psychologically, when we see a higher balance, we think we have more to spend. Account 2, your saving account now. This is the account that changes everything. As soon as you receive your salary, you transfer a fixed amount here, maybe 20% or 30% of your income, before spending anything. This is your money for the future account. You don't link this one with mobile banking or a debit card. You don't touch it unless it's for investment or an emergency. This small habit creates a mental and financial boundary between your spending and saving. And over time, this one rule can help you build emergency funds, invest easily, or even start a small business. Here's a real-world example. Let's say you earn raise, $40,000 a month. You move Rs, $10,000 instantly into your saving account. You live on Rs $30,000. After a year, you'll have Rs $120,000 saved without even realizing it. No complicated investment strategy, just one simple system: 2 accounts, one goal: financial peace. Bonus tip: if your bank allows, open your second account as a recurring deposit account. That way, your savings automatically earn interest, and you'll be rewarded for your discipline. So remember, one account to live from, one account to grow from. That's how smart people manage money, and you can start today. Keep watching SKC FinTalks, your simple guide to smarter money, better banking, and a brighter future.